Alright guys, so I made this. Um I posted a picture of it in TikTok before I finished it. But let me turn this on. I have to use external power supply and the Arduino itself because this is meant for this. So before we test it with this, because it's kind of hard to hold it and record at the same time, let's test it with an LED, should we? Alright, so this cable, the green cable, is coming out of the normally open terminal of the relay. So we put the positive here and there, and the other cable is just going to negative. Now if we press the button, ooh, that's bright, the relay clicks and turns this on, and if we press it again, it turns off. It's really just that. And so all the components that I used was a push button, jumper cables, a 1 kilo ohm resistor, LED or motor if you want to use it for that, a 5-volt relay. It came with my Arduino kit, and this NPN PN2222 transistor. This right here is directly going to the ground. The middle one is going to the 1 kilo ohm resistor, going to pin 8, and the third leg is going into the coil pin. The other coil pin is going to 5 volts, and this middle pin is the common, so that goes to 5 volt. And this pin right here is normally open, so electricity only flows when the circuit is like the relay is on. But the other one is normally closed, so that one stays on when the relay is off, but when you turn the relay on, it turns off. You know what, let me do a demonstration real quick. That shouldn't be too hard, should it? So let's grab another LED. If I can find one. God, I have to organize my desk. Oh wait, I have a bag of LEDs right here. So let's get a random LED from here. We got a green one. Oh my goodness gracious. Anyways, look at that. We put the display. I'm gonna put them in like the ground, common ground, because I'm too lazy. And the other one, this positive, goes to normally close there. So it says on, but if I do this, it switches to the white one. So this one is normally closed and this one is normally open. Right there the relay is off. Right there is on. Off, on, off, on. Oh yeah. Let's test it out with a motor now, should we? Because that's the main reason I built it. Alright, so I know this looks wrong, but it's because I want the motor to push air out, that I'm putting the positive in the negative cable. Anyways, so I'm gonna record right here because I can't hold it. I'm recording with my phone, and if I press this, it blows air, and if I press it again, stops. And I built this primarily because I've been wanting to do this since I first got into electronics. But the problem is that I couldn't connect this to the Arduino itself because it was gonna blow up. Well, not blow up, but just burn it. And I tried using this. This is the L29 3D chip. I tried to use this chip, but I just couldn't get the hang of it. The motor was just spinning one direction really slow, then the other one it was just vibrating and didn't want to spin. Yeah, it was just weird. I don't know if it's broken or something. Well, I tried to use that, but then I gave up and I tried it with the relay, and it's super simple. Honestly, you can do this without the Arduino. I'ma post the video with the instructions. Well, the instructions is gonna be separate if you wanna try to copy the circuit I'm gonna give you a little shot right here of it. But still, I'm gonna leave the components you need. And I'm gonna leave the code too. And this is getting too long for a short video. So yeah. Well, leave me in the comments what you want the next project to be. I got the relay. I got a ultrasonic sensor. I haven't used this yet. I don't know why. I have an IR receiver and a remote. I have this freaking thing. I don't know what it's called. 7-segment display. There it goes. And I have a bigger one right here. This one is more complicated to code. I don't really like that one. I have a screen, LCD screen. I have a joystick module. It's kind of satisfying. I have servos, and is that all I got? I mean, I got a humidity sensor too. I have a tilt sensor. It's basically just a metal ball in this thing that looks like a capacitor and 2 terminals there. It's basically just a switch. And I have yeah, that's what I got. And a breadboard and an Arduino and an external PSU. Maybe I should use it, maybe not. Yeah. Well, leave me in the comments what you want the next video to be. I'm gonna post this on YouTube and TikTok. Alright, see ya.